Hello guys, today, well this was a few days ago actually, here was the new Adopt Me update. The new egg was coming out. The new egg is coming out. Yeah, and then, well, it's been 4 hours, so I'll come back to you once it's time. But look at this person. She says she claims to be poor, but she actually has a dragon. And maybe she has forgotten to change recently, but it's okay. Now I'll just wait, until it's the other update. So this is about to do an update. Sorry, I had a little cutting trouble. This is voiceover right now. So basically I was saying goodbye desert/cactus egg because, well, it's only a few seconds left. And then, as you can see, only a few seconds left, which I was very excited that time. I said bye. See how pretty it is? It's beautiful. And, well, all the other places haven't changed. Sorry, my mom called. Anyways, so this is, well, look how beautiful the background is. Look. I told my friend to teleport because it's very pretty. So, yeah, I said it's very beautiful. It was actually so amazing that time. Like, that time was 10, I think. Yeah, and then, well, it's so beautiful. And, well, I am rich and I did get scammed, but not for a very good pet. Yeah. Here's me saying you will be missed because, well, it's going to leave without me. Even though I have like 4 desert eggs. So I'm not really sure why I'm saying bye.